For example, if you invest $1,000 every month for 5 years, your first investment buys more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. Over time, this can smooth out your average cost. Let's compare dollar cost averaging to investing a lump sum. If the market drops right after your lump sum investment, you'll have a lower average cost than if you invest it all at once. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. Over time, this can smooth out the average cost per share. Many 401k contributions are set up as dollar cost averaging. Every paycheck, a fixed amount is automatically invested into your retirement account. Let's see how dollar cost averaging works over time. If you invest $1,000 each year for 5 years, the average cost per share decreases as prices fluctuate. In 2018, the S&P 500 index was down. By continuing to invest $1,000 monthly, you would have bought more shares than if you had invested a lump sum in 2018. Imagine the market goes up and down. With dollar cost averaging, your investments are spread out over time, reducing the impact of volatility. Do you think DCA only works when the market is going up? Think again. It's about consistency, not timing. Think of DCA as a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent small steps lead to success over time. DCA isn't just for beginners. Experienced investors use it to manage risk and ensure steady growth in their portfolios. Watch how DCA gradually builds wealth, even in volatile markets. Each line represents an investor's consistent investment journey. Let's break it down. In a rising market, you buy more shares at lower prices. In a falling market, fewer shares are bought at higher prices. And in a flat or volatile market, DCA helps smooth out the cost. To implement DCA, start by choosing a consistent amount to invest. Then, stick to regular intervals and keep investing even when the market fluctuates. Finally, monitor your portfolio, but stay committed to your plan. Dollar cost averaging offers a range of benefits that make it a powerful strategy for long-term investing. Regular investments help reduce the impact of market volatility and build discipline into your investment habits. Dollar cost averaging works because it allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high. Over time, this reduces the average cost per share.